The volume of a pyramid is just a slight adjustment of the volume of a prism. Now, if you remember, our volume of a prism, how I would always think about this is that you find the area of the base, that's a capital B, and then multiply that by the height. So you would think about, that would be, a prism would be something like this. Maybe, pardon my poor 3D drawing here, but something like that. You'd have a prism. So you could find the area of the base, how big is this, and then multiply that by the height. But obviously, a pyramid would have less volume than the entire prism, so we have to make a slight adjustment to that. A volume of a pyramid is 1/3 of that initial volume. So that's our adjustment to make it a pyramid, is we just simply do the area of the base times the height and then really just divide by 3 or multiply by 1/3. Of course, those accomplish the same thing. Let's do an example. Okay. Now, one thing I just wanted to clarify here is that you can see I have dropped a perpendicular line from the vertex of my pyramid down to the base. That is necessary in order to have the height. It's not that if we tipped or slanted the pyramid a little bit, we could still find the volume of it, but it would be a slight adjustment to the way we get our information. So I'm going to just start with this. We're going to find the, I'll put the 1/3 out front. The area of our base, it's just a rectangular base, so 4 times 5. And then we multiply that by the height. And we would just type that into our calculator, and that would be the volume of the pyramid. Let's set up one more example. So again, we want to start by finding the area of our base, this rectangular base. So we're going to have the volume is equal to 1/3. Area of the base would be 6 times 9, and then multiply by the height. And we would just type that straight into our calculator. And I'll just do the example here so you can see I would really just 1/3 times 6 times 9 times 10. So our volume is 180. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more geometry help.